What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be doing a market overview and running over the whole market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the total market cap, and some altcoins as well. So it's going to be a really good video. A lot of people are wondering what's going to happen in the markets. Are we going to crash? Are we going to go up? What's coming next? So that's what today's video is all about. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord community. The Discord community is a place where there's over 2,000 other members learning, trading, and investing along with you, and it's a great place to start learning how to trade and invest in crypto. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so we're going to start off here with the total market cap. And you guys, we did talk a little bit about the total market cap in previous videos, but I want to talk a little bit about it again here really quickly in today's video and explain to you guys some of the things that I'm seeing on the total market cap. So we have our first wave down here, our second wave right here. Then we get a very nice third wave right here, fourth wave and fifth wave, taking us up to about 2.6 trillion in total market cap. Now we've started to make corrective structure. The market has pulled back. As you guys can see from the peak here, we pulled all the way back down to 2 trillion in total market cap. So there's a lot of people wondering, well, what's going on right here? Are we going to push up through resistance? Are we going to pull back? What's going on right here? So let's talk a little bit about Elliott wave theory. So Elliott wave theory is super awesome. It's actually called Elliott wave principle because it is something that truly happens. It's not just a theory. It's something that actually happens inside of the market. So if we take this example right here, actually let's just use this example. As you guys can see, every single time that we have 5 waves up in the market, you have to have an ABC correction. Now, sometimes that 5th wave is actually bigger than the 3rd wave, and in crypto that happens a lot, where wave 3 is actually bigger than wave 1, but wave 5 is even bigger than wave 3. That's something that happens a lot in the crypto markets. Either way, you have to have wave A, wave B, and wave C that comes afterwards. Now, if we go back over to the total market cap, you can see that we did have 5 waves up, but a lot of people think that the correction is already over. However, if you look at the structure in the market, we have a perfect wave A, wave B, and now I'm expecting a wave C here in the total crypto market cap. So that would be a pretty big pullback here over the summer, but it would set things up perfectly to start rising again towards the end of the year, which is historically true for crypto. Most all the time we have corrections over the summer and we start rising again towards the end of the year. You can even see that's true last year. Over the summer we had a correction here, not quite as big as the one that I'm expecting right here, but we did have a correction over the summer. Then towards the end of the year, we had a big run up in crypto. So that's what I'm watching for the total market cap. A lot of people are holding on. This is a bull trap. So if you don't know what a bull trap is, you can just type into Google bull trap examples. Google has so many free examples, you guys. Just type this stuff into Google and you're going to get so many examples of bull traps inside of the market, or just inside of various markets that you can use to go ahead and trade these coins. So if you look here at the market cycle chart, this is a little bit of a different one. We usually use the Wall Street cheat sheet, but on this market cycle chart, you guys can see there's always a bull trap right here near the top. There's a new paradigm phase, then there's a bull trap where the market pulls back and it has to shake everybody out. They think it's just going to go up, they're in denial, and they highly doubt the fact that the market could pull back. So it traps the bulls. They buy it up here expecting huge gains, expecting a big pump in the market, then it has to pull back. And that pullback is big enough that it really shakes everybody out because they buy up here, they use leverage to go long, or they double down on their spot trading, and it just sets them up for a lot of failure when the market pulls back and they end up selling the bottom where it's the best time to buy most of the time. Now, in this case, I don't expect Wave C to magically go down here to like 1 trillion or do some big giant crash, but I do think Wave C will pull back below the support level of Wave A, and it will be a big enough correction that a lot of people don't want to hold through it. I personally don't. That's why I took 50% profits off the table in USDT and USDC up here at the top of the bull trap in preparation for Wave C. Because I've seen this happen a lot. I've seen this happen over and over again. So you guys can see here that if we do a little bit of a measurement tool, that would be like a 30% decline in total crypto market cap, which means Bitcoin and Ethereum could pull back 30%. And a lot of your altcoins, smaller altcoins, low caps, or even some of the bigger ones could pull back 40 to 50% in the same period of time. So don't get stuck holding on where all of the noobs and everybody's trying to buy, everybody's FOMO buying up here, drawing bullish charts even still when we're clearly making a lower high and we're clearly rejecting off of resistance, and yet everybody's trying to hold on to their investments and draw moon charts just because the excitement and the hype is big right now. And when the hype is big and the excitement is high and everybody's like, okay, I'm getting into this, it's time for me to actually try this out, that's exactly when the market pulls back and wrecks all the noobs and all the people that are FOMO buying and getting too excited at the top. And I know you guys have watched my channel for a long time, know what FOMO is, but fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a very real phenomenon. And yet people get caught up in that trap over and over again when they could have sold and they could have made a lot of money shorting the market, or even just selling and then buying the dip again later. So yeah, the total crypto market cap does look bearish. And I do suspect that we do pull back over the next couple months or so and get ready to go up again towards the end of the year. But that's a big correction. Everybody wants to say, oh, well, I'll just hold on. You know, I've held through bear markets before. Ask yourself, you know, do you want to hold through a correction again? This isn't going to be a multi-year bear market or anything, but do you want to hold through a 50% drop on your altcoins? Do you want to hold through a 30% correction on Ethereum? And from a risk management perspective, I'm not telling you guys to go 100% out, but taking some cash, taking some profits off the table, while Bitcoin is still up here, still worth 66,000, almost 67,000 per coin, is not a bad idea. You can always buy the dip later. And if for some reason the market starts to look magnificently strong all of a sudden, and you see all this strength in the market, you can buy back. I don't think you're going to see that. Every single indicator and every single chart pattern looks bearish, and the whole market thinks we're bullish because everybody's letting emotions control their trading instead of seeing the market for what it is, which is ridiculous. You guys, wake up and look at these charts for what they are. Stop letting emotion control you and start letting your mind actually work in favor for you instead of your emotions screwing you. So don't let your emotion get in the way of clear, logical thinking. Otherwise, you guys are going to make a lot of mistakes inside of the market. That's the most common mistake, is FOMO or panic selling. People panic sell bottoms and they FOMO buy tops. So yeah, the total crypto market cap does look bearish, but so does Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks really, really bearish right now. And a great example of what I'm talking about here, I posted on my Twitter. I also posted a free chart for you guys that follow me on YouTube. I post in the community section. And also, again, the free Discord. I post this stuff in the announcements for free. Not every single trade. I have VIP trades and stuff for the VIP members only. But I want everybody to be able to profit, because if you guys make more money, I make more money. Plain and simple. So you guys can see here Bitcoin on the top and gold on the bottom. Bitcoin looks bearish right now. It's following the same human psychology as gold. Bitcoin has traded like a commodities market, like gold or silver, since day one. And it looks exactly like gold before gold had its ABC correction after it broke its all-time high. Bitcoin looks the same way. Bitcoin broke its all-time high slightly, just like gold broke its all-time high slightly. Then gold had an ABC correction. Everybody FOMO bought wave B on gold, expecting a big breakout, and it failed support before it really went up. And I think Bitcoin is going to do the same thing. It's going to follow the gold fractal. So that's what I'm watching here with Bitcoin. And I do suspect that we do have a big correction over the summer back to 50K per Bitcoin in this major support level. And really all you guys need to know, to simplify it, is resistance is up here and support is down here. So don't buy resistance, buy support. You sell resistance and buy support. That's the most simple way to play these markets. So let's go ahead and check out Ethereum here. Ethereum's another one I've been talking about that was going to crash. Everybody was FOMO buying up here, telling me I was crazy for being bearish. And now we're starting to crash. Now we're starting to sell off here, just exactly as my trading plan was planned, exactly what I was looking for and planning for on this market. We're crashing right now as we speak. And you can see here we have this major support level here on Ethereum. And I suspect that we pull back to this major support level. As you guys can see, we have this major support level on Ethereum. And I suspect that we pull back to this major support level over the summer, along with the total market cap, along with Bitcoin. All these coins are going to follow each other, and Ethereum is going to shake a lot of people out because everybody's FOMO buying. They're buying the news. They're excited. It's going to shake all those greedy investors out and get ready to go back up again and really moon after a big correction. It's going to take a little bit of time to build up its momentum or whatever. But once it corrects and comes back down to major support, then Ethereum can really moon and take off, because crypto is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. And the markets have to pull back, but this correction isn't a multi-year bear market. I'm just talking about a correction that could be 30% on Bitcoin and Ethereum and 50% on other altcoins. So just keep your eyes on that possibility and stay safe out there so you can stay profitable. That's the whole point of this channel. Help you guys stay profitable in these markets. Because again, if you guys make more money, I make more money. So my number one goal is student results. That's my number one goal, is to help my students make money, even if I have to say things that people might not initially agree with. So yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum looks bearish, total market cap looks bearish. So let's talk a little bit about celebrity coins. As you guys know, we have Mother here, which is a celebrity coin. And this coin was released by, I forget her name, I can't even pronounce it because I don't really pay attention to the normal world that everybody else is always concerned about. But this is a celebrity coin. Its ticker is Mother. And everybody's all excited about this. Jim Cramer, I think a rapper, made this coin. She's a rapper. And maybe it's Iggy is her name, Iggy something. See, this goes to show how much I pay attention to celebrities in the world out there. Unless they're like a good celebrity with morals and standards, I usually don't pay attention to them very much. But you guys can see here that Mother had 5 waves up, and this coin looks like it's ready to pull back. There's news events. Everybody thinks, oh, it's going to go up, because of all the excitement and all the hype, and that's exactly when it pulls back. We have 5 waves up here on Mother, and I personally think this thing is going to pull back. Then we also have this coin, which is based on Andrew Tate, and this coin also did 5 waves up, and I suspect this thing to pull back. People are too excited. They think the market's just going to moon. They think it's going to go up, and yet there's a lot of coins that are looking ready for a pullback. So don't get caught up in the hype. All right, so let's talk a little bit about Pepe. Pepe's been one that I've been playing for a minute now. And really, you guys, I've been longing and shorting this coin. First, I was going long over here as it was starting to climb. Then as we got closer to the top, I started shorting the coin because I was looking at charts and realized this is overextended. This thing has to pull back. So I went short right here. The market came back down to this area right here. I took my profit. The market bounced back up. I shorted pretty close to the middle here, a little bit above the middle point of this consolidation range. Then it came all the way back down. I didn't quite get the exact bottom, but really close. I took profit down here, and I recently went short again up here when everybody else was excited. Everybody thought we were going to break out and moon again, and boom, I'm already in profits again, and I'll take profit again as we get closer to horizontal support. Now, did I play this exactly perfectly? No. As you can see, the first place that I went short wasn't quite the exact top. It was really close, so I pretty much call it the exact top, but it did go up a little bit higher before it dropped. So you have to have a patience, you have to stick to your guts, and really hold true to your position and know that that your initial analysis was correct, and of course it was. So I took profits pretty much at the exact bottom on this one. Then on this one, I took my short position a little bit early again, and the market wasn't quite the exact top here. And you can see the market went a little bit higher because technically I took the short around right here, but I'm trying to show you guys the price level. But yeah, I took my short position around right here, about this price point right here, and the market bounced up above, and I had to hold on as the market was bouncing around all through this area right here and trust my trade, trust my trading plan. And then, of course, the market crashed, and no, I did not sell the exact bottom, although I could have because I woke up and I saw that the price point was at this level, but I got a little bit greedy. The market bounced, and then I took my profit right here a little bit higher than the exact bottom. Who cares? I made a bunch of money on both of those shorts, just like I made money going long on the way up. Now, again, I took another short, and I'm in profit right now as we speak. The other thing with Pepe here, if you guys have been watching my videos for the past couple months, you guys know I initially told everybody that Pepe was a good buy right here. Way down here, I told everybody, hey, Pepe is a really, really good buy down here. And it went all the way up here. It skyrocketed. Just supermooned. And then I told everybody again that Pepe was a good buy right here. And guess what happened? It skyrocketed and supermooned. So technical analysis works. Especially if you've been doing this for 8 years like I have. And you don't have to take 8 years to do it. I made so many mistakes along the way. The reason I'm good at it now is because I made so many mistakes and also made a lot of profit and just had a lot of experience along the way that taught me this stuff. But you guys don't have to learn that. It doesn't have to be that difficult for you to learn. You can take all the stuff I've learned and jumpstart your learning process and reduce the amount of time it takes by way significant amount of time. Like you could probably learn what I've learned in a year or two instead of 8 years. If you check out, watch these videos, join the free Discord, and when you're ready, or even right now, join the VIP and start following along with the trades that we're taking in there and start making some money in these markets. You don't have to take as much time as I took to learn this stuff. But yeah, I've been playing Pepe up here, nearly perfectly. I tried to take another short around right here with a tight stop, got stopped out and went short again right here, but the loss was so small because I'm playing the market with risk management and using everything that I've learned about these markets to play this market really effectively. So yeah, I do think Pepe will also crash here. So yeah, the total market cap looks bearish. People are trying to hold on. A lot of people are trying to expect a big pump. You know, they're still holding on, still drawing bullish charts. And it's really sad to see a lot of people doing that, because a lot of people are going to lose a bunch of money when this thing pulls back significantly, because they were FOMO buying up here at the top at all-time high resistance, expecting a big moon. So yeah, that's my views on the markets, you guys. All the celebrity coins look bearish. The total market cap looks bearish. Ethereum looks bearish. Pepe looks bearish. Everything looks bearish, at least over the summer. Now after that, after we pull back, after we test major support levels in the total market cap, we can talk about a different kind of story here. And of course, the market gives us new data. Things could change, but I'm 50% out in cash. I'm going to stick to it. And I'm bearish. I've got short positions on Bitcoin, on Pepe. You know, I'm going to stick to this because I really see the market pulling back here before it can find support and then start to turn around here in the bigger picture. And we can really see a big move on the upside in the crypto markets. So yeah, that's my view on crypto. And I definitely see a lot of profit and opportunity if you're willing to play the market for what it is. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.